Hey everyone, welcome to BMW News, where we bring you the latest updates on everything related to the Bavarian automaker. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the all-new second-generation X2, which BMW has just teased in a short clip. This is the sleeker and sportier alternative to the X1, and it's coming soon with a range of powertrain options, including an electric iX2. Stay tuned to find out more. But before we get into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you enjoy this one, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps us out a lot. Thank you. The new X2 is expected to debut before the end of the year, and it will have a much larger footprint than the previous model, which was already quite spacious for its segment. The new X2 will share its platform and dimensions with the latest X1, which means it will be 4.5 meters, 177.2 inches, long. However, it will have a more distinctive design, with a heavily sloped roofline that gives it a coupe-like profile. The teaser video shows some of the key features of the new X2, such as the illuminated kidney grille contour and the adaptive LED matrix headlights. These are likely to be optional extras, as they are on the X1. The video also reveals the car's codename, which is U10. Both the X2 and the X1 will be built at BMW's Regensburg factory in Germany. The new X2 will offer a variety of powertrain options, depending on the market and the trim level. For those who prefer conventional engines, there will be a range of turbocharged petrol and diesel units, with outputs ranging from 140 to 231 horsepower. There will also be an M-performance version, called the X2 M35i, which will have a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine with either 296 or 312 horsepower, depending on the region. It will also have a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and an xDrive all-wheel drive system. For those who want to go green, there will be an electric version of the new X2, called the iX2. This will be based on the same technology as the iX3 and the iX1, which means it will have a battery pack with a capacity of around 80 kWh and a range of over 400 kilometers, 250 miles, on a single charge. The iX2 will also have two electric motors, one on each axle, which will deliver a combined output of 313 horsepower and 364 pound-feet of torque. There might also be a cheaper and less powerful version with a single motor and front-wheel drive. The new X2 is not the only exciting news from BMW this year. The company has also announced that it will launch its first hydrogen-powered car in 2025, based on the current X5 model. This will be part of BMW's strategy to offer a wide range of electrified vehicles, from plug-in hybrids to battery electric cars to fuel cell vehicles. BMW says that hydrogen is an important alternative for regions where renewable energy sources are scarce or expensive. That's all for today's video. What do you think of the new X2? Are you excited to see it in person? Which powertrain option would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching BMW News, and we'll see you next time.